Hey guys, this is Brad with StellarTools. Today I'm going to go over a couple features of the StellarTools Rotational Tumbler. I should also say it's a portable rotational tumbler. Now this particular model has a 25 by 14 drum, and power source is a 1/4 horse gear motor. It's geared down to 18 rotations per minute. Max torque on it is 400 inch-pounds. And another good feature are, you see these little slats up in the lid. You can actually put partitions in the drum. If you're tumbling two different or even three different types of media, you can have a deburring, a polishing, all in one, and so you're tumbling everything at the same time. Another interesting feature about this one, slats, these water slats. And there's 4 of them on this particular model. What happens is the water gets sucked into these slats, goes around the drum, and comes out these holes on the side of the drum. So it's constantly circulating water. It's constantly cleaning parts, gets rid of all the, gunk that builds up in most tumblers. And you just have about 6 inches of water down in the bottom, and it's really easy to replace the water. Like I said, 1/4 horse motor in the rear, 25 by 14 drum, heavy duty locks. It's also portable. It's a good feature. We've been noticing around in the shop, if it gets in the way, we can just move it, or if we're not using it, we can just move it. So today we're going to tumble some license plate brackets and some bone hands. License plate brackets are something that we've been working on for a while, and we've been selling a whole ton of them. I'll show you a finished product on this bobber over here. As you can see, it just mounts right up to the shock point. Light itself, very simple. Just a brake running light, and then also license plate light. Got one more over here on this cafe racer. Monoshock 750, and same thing. Bolts up to the rear shock mount, and the light attaches with 2 wires. So we've got a couple orders coming out tomorrow. So we'll stick these bad boys in. And the bone hand. The parts that we threw in there are a lot like this part here. We have a lot of slag on it, straight off our CNC plasma table. This particular one was cut on a pretty wet day. You can see there's a lot of steel scale on there, all the slag, and the stuff just kind of chips off. But why should I do it when the tumbler can do it for me? So we'll set this up, plug it in, let it go for say 4 hours. Now on this model I'm just plugging it in, I'm not putting it on the timer. The timer that we have that go with them are 2, 4, 8, and 12-hour increment timers. Now it's a little loud with the tumbler door open. I just wanted to show you the water coming through the tumbler. As you can see, it's circulating through. Keep those clean parts. Everybody needs clean parts. We'll latch it up. Another good feature about this is the lock too. A lot of fabricators in big shops like to lock up their stuff to keep it away from other annoying fabricators. So let this go for about 4 hours, and then we'll check the parts. And of course the magic of editing. It's been 4 hours now. I'm going to turn off the tumbler. Like I said, the ordered models come with a timer, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12-hour increments. Here's another look at those slats. You can get a good look at them from up top here. And what those do, they pick up the water, rotate it around the drum, and keep your parts clean. Everybody needs clean parts. Oh, those bone hands look great. We'll actually match one of these up. It's been in the tumbler for a while. As you can see, when we threw it in, it was a lot like that first part that I showed you. It had a lot of slag on it, steel scale. Overall, wasn't a sellable part. But now, if you look at this, took off quite a bit of the steel scale. Edges are nice and smooth. There's still a little bit of weld bug up on these holes, but another couple hours in there, those will be gone. Even right now, I could bend this up, put in the powder coater, and sell it off. Maybe even grind these off. But I don't want to do that, so I'm going to throw it back in the tumbler for another couple hours. But that's the StellarTools Rotational Tumbler. Find them on eBay, Amazon, or even just contact us with the number below. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.